part of South Africa, an extraordinary initiative is changing lives and reshaping futures. The Employability and Entrepreneurship for the Future Symposium, hosted by Sasol, is a testament to the transformative power of education and opportunity.
Sasol's expression of a vehicle that will then help people from not participating in the economy to bridge them into economic opportunities. That was what the idea was about. When we then started looking at the portfolio of programs that would run under Bridge to Work, we started with programs that would make an impact in the community, that research tells us would be relevant, and also there are opportunities that we can utilize. We now have got a suite of 6 programs, and we have another 2 that we are looking at implementing, rolling out now, and they are growing.
The journey began with a vision to bridge the gap between communities and economic opportunities. Sasol's Bridge to Work program, with the support of various partners, set out to empower individuals in the fence line communities.
So to date, over 629 individuals residing in our fence line communities have been through the various Bridge to Work programs, and most of these individuals are between the ages of 18 and 35, and a large or a sizable number of them are young women, which for us is a great thing. Programs like Bridge to Work are important in the context that where you have had a job and you've lost a job, you need to be able to reinvent yourself. Take the skills that you learned from your previous job, take them into a new opportunity and try something different. That's the only way that we are going to be able to keep our economy growing and to reduce the rate of unemployment.
The program started small but quickly expanded, offering a diverse range of skills training from farming to coding, addressing critical needs in the South African economy.
Today, being here at the symposium, I've learned that it's not always when you have to learn to be employed, but you can also learn to be an employer. You can be an entrepreneur. So for me, that was the highlight from this symposium, because I was never a person that thought that far of studying a business or one day being an employer, but today it gave me an opportunity to being open to being an employer in the near future.
Beyond skills training, the program focused on empowering students to transition into the workforce or become entrepreneurs. Participants gained insights from industry experts and learned about the positive influence of AI in a business.
I used to work for this organization called the International Data Corporation. They like coming up with big dreams. Yeah, we predict so many people will lose their jobs. They are not lying. But the people won't just lose jobs and be replaced by machines. The jobs are going to go to people that work with the machines. So that youngster who's just written a tutoring chatbot, he will take the jobs because he can tutor 100 kids for a quarter of the price that you are charging. So it's not that jobs disappeared, it's that you are now competing with people that are using technology, are using chatbots, are augmenting their capabilities with artificial intelligence or fourth industrial revolution technologies, right? So we should, in my view, embrace the machines.
My message to the young people is, this is what Sasol and the partners are doing. But Sasol can't be the employee. We can only prepare you to be the employee. The responsibility lies with you then to say, you grab the opportunity that you've been given with both hands, and you make sure that you fly the Sasol flag high, and you do your best and show the people that we have invested in the right person. I mean, we know entrepreneurship is not an easy feat, but if you take the opportunities that you have been given and you maximize your chances, it's likely that you will succeed. We are here to support, we are here to work with you, but you have to be the entrepreneur.
The Employability and Entrepreneurship for the Future Symposium was not just a gathering of individuals, it was a celebration of empowerment, resilience, and the boundless possibilities that lie ahead.